What's going on, guys? I got my nieces here, and today Evolving Skies came out. We have two. We got two booster boxes today. I'm hanging out with my nieces. We're gonna go and open up some packs, and we gotta watch out for this dog because this dog is here for the first time, and she is curious. Well, let's go open up some packs, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do it. It's so off-centered. So we just got done doing all the packs, and Christy pulled me this card, this bad boy right here, but she's a little shy about it. Anyways, we did good though. We didn't get that many hits like I thought we would, but we do have another box, so stay tuned for the next video.
Let's get them.
Got a short one over here, and we got a short one over here. And we're gonna open up the short box over here. What's up, guys? Why are you so low? Why are you so low? What's going on? Let's go see if we can get some Rayquaza, some evolutions. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so now that we know the secret, we can tell which packs are gonna be duds automatically.
We need to go through them quick.
$244 or $224. Oh, this one's lighter. They're getting lighter every time.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
The first one had something good with that. Maybe.
Whatever your gibberish said, it probably said to stop, you know. told
We
me.
we rewound it.
I gotta listen to it now and be like, what happened? Oh my gosh! We coming through with the Rayquaza.
Dragons.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Curve summons. Bleeding.
Nice. Nice one, Steph. Looking a little bit better, I think, but one card. Right?
So far, so far.
Yeah.
Misty got a white, I got a green, so. Let's see what kind of things you pull. Oh, my hand.
Ooh. Duraludon.
Oh, yes, this box is better.
This box is better.
A lot better.
What's acceptable? Take your feet back.
No, isn't this one? The water's cute.
Girl. Fine.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, we got a good amount of hits. Where's that Rayquaza at?
Oh,
Show to the camera. However think you can. Yeah, maybe that. Did pretty good. You know, Christy got some whatchamacallits, Evolutions VMAX.
yeah.
And so, you know, that's some stuff that we checked off the checklist. But the second box is Christy's. It was great. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for helping me out. You too. Yeah, and I'll see you again next time.
Bye.
Happy birthday
Day
to
to
you.